Hey, what's to YouTube fam? It's your girl TK, and I am at home vlogging, darling. And today I wanted to get online and talk to you guys about Timothy Palatore. Now, I want you guys to know I did a video on him not too long ago, so you have to go on my content page and look at that video. But I want you guys to know in a synopsis, I think this man is very much so giving interesting. And the reason being is because not too long ago, he was online boasting. He felt like Donald Trump was going to get away from this whole document scandal. And he actually admitted to Donald Trump just leaving documents on his, dresser. It was just to block the lighting and everything else he was saying on the news. I could not believe that the attorney for Donald Trump was just so negligent. And, he was basically vomiting out the mouth, saying whatever on the news. He had no care. He just felt like Donald Trump was going to win. Now, I want you guys to understand something. I am looking at the news right now, and it's saying Timothy is out here saying, I quit. Ooh, I could not believe that those were the words that was coming out of his mouth. Usually it's Donald Trump that says, you're fired. Donald Trump even had a show saying that at one time. But for the attorney to say, I quit, that's interesting. So I wanted to read this article to you, and you guys are going to have to let me know what you guys think it is giving. That numero uno, I am looking at the article. It's coming from apnews.com. So if you ever want to just go back and look at it, you are more than welcome to. The headline for this article is lawyer who quit Trump legal team cites disagreements with Trump advisors as basis for departure. Now, I'm going to read just a little synopsis of it. It says here, a lawyer who quit Donald Trump's legal team this past week attributed his decision Saturday to strategy disagreements with a close advisor to the former president. So you telling me that there's strategy disagreements and that's just going to make you walk out that door? Oh my goodness, you are an attorney. I mean, you guys have to be analytical. Like, I'm sure if he have dealt with Donald Trump, he could have dealt with that team and trying to get Donald Trump out and away from these documents. Anyhow, let's go forward. It says Timothy Palatore, who had been a key lawyer for Trump in a Justice Department special counsel investigation into the potential mishandling of classified documents at his Florida estate, told CNN in an interview on Saturday that there were certain individuals that made defending the president much harder than it needed to be. He singled out Boris, another lawyer, and top Trump advisor in multiple criminal investigations, who he accused of doing everything he could to try to block us, to prevent us from doing what we could do to defend the president. Palatore disclosed Wednesday that he was resigning from the Trump legal team, a move that comes as the investigation by special counsel Jack Smith shows signs of winding down and nearing a decision on whether or not to bring charges against the former president. His comment Saturday provided additional context for the decision. I haven't really heard a lot about Jack Smith as of recent, but I want you guys to know this is a major move that Palatore decided to just quit the legal team. Basically he's saying in a synopsis that they are not holding their case together as they wanted it to be. They thought it was going to be a little bit more secure, and if an attorney walks away from a case, that most, like 9 times out of 10, especially if the client has money, there's not really a case that they can present to court, and they don't feel confident that they're going to win, in my opinion. And Trump is like stashed, and yeah. So this is a major move for this attorney. I know that he has advocated on behalf of individuals in situations like Donald Trump, because I did have an opportunity to look at a synopsis of who he was and how he advocated on behalf of veterans who were going through situations like what Donald Trump is going through on his website. So if you ever have a chance, check out Timothy Palatore's website. I think he's definitely giving interesting. Anyhow, I wanted to share that information with you because sharing is caring. That's numero uno. But to also let you guys see that Donald Trump is out here and he's facing some real life reality right now. And that is, there's still not a strategy in place to handle this document situation. And that is a thriller in its entirety. Anyhow, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if so, make sure that you know that you can comment, like, and subscribe, darling. Please keep those notifications on so you'll know when your girl is online. Peace, love, and happiness. Remember, always, it is so imperative for you to stay safe, stay blessed, and follow laws, rules, regulations, policies, and procedures, because you don't know when, where, and or how it might impact you. Bye.